Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do we start a Google Chat. So first thing we have to do is open the Google Chat. So after we download the Google Chat in the App Store, there will be an open button. You just need to click it and you will be generated into the Google Chat page. And this is how does it look when we are arriving here, and there will be one and only button in this page. You just need to click it to get started and enter into the Google Chat. And now you will be generated into a manage account, and then you can choose which email or which account that you want to use to enter the Google Chat with. And after you're done, just click this button until it's changed the color into blue and just click done. And now you just need to follow all of the instructions that appear in screen, and that's all the way how to start a Google Chat, guys. So that's all tutorial for today. If you find that this guidance is quite useful, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.